Hi, I'm Lewis, Senior Customer Success Manager here at Vevox, and I'm about to show you how to do something really cool using our Vevox platform.
So I want to add a poll in, and I'm just going to add a very simple multiple choice poll. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Tea, coffee, or neither? That's our question. So as I mentioned, you can completely redesign how things look on the screen. A big tip here, under preferences, this cog at the top here, go down to this bottom left-hand corner and ensure that auto fit charts automatically is unticked. That way you'll be able to manipulate everything on the slide. So I could make this a little bit smaller, I could drag it down, and then I could have a picture of a coffee cup or something here if I wanted to. But that is my poll created. What I want to then do is add that countdown clock. So I need to go to display options, again, under the Vevox tab, go to display options, and then I want to go down here where it says countdown clock, and I want to show the clock during the poll. So I tick that, and now I've got my clock that's appeared. Again, I can move that and I can put it wherever I want. I can also go and I can change the size. I can make my font bigger. I can then also decide whether the clock closes the poll. So that sets that time limit to my question. I'm going to adjust mine for 15 seconds, and it can be as long or short as you want. You can also add sounds during polls using Teams and sharing system audio or presenting it live with speakers and things. You will be able to hear this music. So you choose play sound during poll, and we've got some default sounds that you can use, but alternatively, if you have a file on your machine and it has to be downloaded on your machine, like an MP3 or a different audio file type, then you can use that sound here. So we've used Countdown theme tune before, or Jeopardy. You can also have a sound when the poll is closed, and again, it's the same principle. You can add your own sound if you want to, or you've got the default ones here. But that's done. Now our poll is created, we've got our countdown clock, we've got it set to turn off the poll when we're done, so that poll is ready. So, do you prefer tea or coffee? Then you can also see that I wasn't touching anything and the clock closed the poll automatically. So you've got the results on the screen here. Coffee is a sort of marginal victor.